Hello students. Today I will discuss on an important topic in civics, that is secularism. First, we have to clarify the term secularism. Secularism means there should be no interference on behalf of state in religious matters. In other words, I can say that state shall not indulge any religion, state shall not patronage any religious activities of any particular religious community. Rather, state will refrain itself from any religion or any religious matters of a community. If I have to simplify the secularism more, then I think that secularism means states non-interference in religion. The state or the government should be neutral in religious matters. It cannot interfere in any human beings, any individuals' religious matters. This is exactly called secularism or secular attitude. Now, as the topic is secularism, I have to start secularism in India. It's a very relevant topic, I think. When the Indian constitution makers framed the Indian constitution, they did not incorporate the term secularism in the Indian constitution. I repeat, when the Indian constitution enacted, it means the Indian constitution enacted on 26th January 1950. From this date, Indian constitution came into force. But in the constitution of independent India, secularism, the term secularism was not found at all. Secularism, the term secularism was not incorporated in the Indian constitution. In 1976, in the 42nd amendment of the Indian constitution, the term secularism incorporated to the preamble of the Indian constitution. In 1976, due to 42nd amendment of the Indian constitution, in the term secularism was incorporated in the Indian constitution. Actually, in the preamble of the Indian constitution, India is depicted as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic country. The term secular was incorporated in 1976 in the preamble of the Indian constitution. Now, what is a preamble? Preamble is simply the introductory part of Indian constitution. If we purchase a book from the bookshop, what do you see? We see that in the very front page of the book, there is an introductory part, and that in that introductory part, the author mentioned his intentions of the book, his intentions, what he wrote in the book. So, the preamble of the Indian Constitution is nothing but the introductory part of the Indian Constitution. The term secularism incorporated or added in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. I think that it has become very clear to you. Now, what is secularism in India? As far as the Indian Constitution is concerned, secularism means in India, the state of India or the government of India cannot intervene in any religious matters. The Indian government has made it clear since the first day when secular term was incorporated that the government of India or the state should be neutral in respect of any religion or any religious matters. There won't be any patronage of any particular religion or religious community on behalf of the government. This is exactly known as secularism. So, we can say that India really is secular state because the government of India, according to Indian Constitution or any state government, cannot provide special assistance to any religion or any religious community. So I think that I have made it clear to you what exactly secularism, when the term secularism incorporated in the Indian Constitution, and exactly the Indian government stand regarding secularism.